Hey, welcome. It's Justin Costello here with MarineMax Pompano Beach. You see behind me here, we got a beautiful, brand new Boston Whaler 330 Outrage in a custom paint. It's called a Largo Blue. Let's take a look around and inside, and hope you guys can come by and check it out. Take a profile shot here. This is a paint. We got the new Mercury V8 300s on the back. We are going to have silver boot stripe and graphics on this boat to match the motor. Boat's got underwater lights. Walk inside and give you a tour of some of the features and benefits that this boat offers. Alright, as we look on the starboard side, walk through transom, there is a pull-out freshwater shower, large insulated transom live well that holds plenty of bait, rod storage across the back, nice dive door, and notice how they notch out the hole here in the mold, so when the door is open, it'll fold completely flush with the deck so you don't have any impeding walkways. Opposing seats here in the back. It also flips down and creates a tabletop. I love this boat. Got a great captain's chairs. You can fit 3 across the center or flip this down. You get a nice armrest. We did equip this boat with the new 16-inch Raymarine Axiom screen. Got a 7-inch Mercury vessel view monitor system, joystick piloting, which gives you an autopilot, patented Mercury skyhook there. Let's walk forward. Got a nice vacuum flush toilet, dive ladder, and plenty of space up front. Look at this garage locker, sun pad lounger, great to take the family and friends. Cushions that go up top here on the seats. Nice flush deck with the anchor windlass through hull. Again, guys, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach aboard a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. Custom paint job, custom motor paint job, electronics, outriggers, boat's ready to go. Come check it out, 954-633-2070.